If you want to turn on or turn off your AppDrawer on OnePlus 13 5G, follow the simple steps. So by the default, it's turned on. As you see, we can find our AppDrawer. To turn it off, what do we have to do? We have to open up our settings. In our settings, we have to locate our home screen and lock screen section. Open it up. Here find your lock screen. Home screen. Tap here. Here you'll have two choices: with drawer, which is on, and standard. Let's press standard. Let's press apply. Press switch. And now, if we're gonna use our phone, there will be no app drawer. We can find all the application which we have right here on our home screen. If you want to go back to your app drawer, open up your settings, home screen and lock screen section, tap home screen, tap with drawer, press apply. Also, you have some settings here, so show suggested apps, new apps to home screen, drawer layout, 4 columns or 5 columns. So press apply, press switch, give it a couple seconds, and now we have our app drawer back. Also, keep in mind that if for some reason after this procedure your phone starts acting weirdly, you can always reboot it and it will help. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.